Are you tired of those flimsy, plastic landscape lights that crack, fade, and stop working after just one season? Stop buying cheap lights. They cost you more in the long run. It's time to upgrade your yard and curb appeal with fixtures that are built to last a lifetime. Host, today, we're diving deep into Gardenreet Brass Fixtures. These are the real deal. Just look at the build quality. This isn't cheap aluminum, this is solid, heavy-duty brass landscape lighting. Brass doesn't corrode, it doesn't fade, and it ages beautifully with a natural patina that only enhances your landscape. We installed their low-voltage spotlights to highlight our favorite oak tree, and the difference is night and day. The illumination is professional grade, creating shadows and depth you just can't get with standard LED lights. And check out the path lights. They're heavy enough to stay put, even in high winds or accidental knocks. Installation is simple and DIY friendly, using standard low-voltage wiring and connectors. With Gardenreet, you're not just buying a light, you're buying peace of mind. They use top-tier components, including quality sockets and waterproof seals, meaning less maintenance for you. Ready to make the upgrade? Don't wait for your next light to fail. Click the link below in the description to shop for your own Gardenreet path lights, spotlights, and well lights. Use the purchase link right now and start planning your ultimate outdoor lighting design. Thanks for watching.